Second important sources are newspaper and magazines. As the printed press developed, newspaper and magazine became an important source of history in both English and vernacular languages. These sources have provided detailed description of the event occurring during this period. After that, laws and government documents, we know it very well. A large number of laws were passed by the British during this period. These laws are the living testimony to the atrocities committed by the British and some welfare measures that they took, such as Vernacular Press Act 1878, Licensing Regulation Act 1823, etc. Also, the working of government requires to produce many documents pertaining to crime, landholdings, taxes, and correspondence. These sources are very important from the viewpoint of reconstructing history, as we can know about the then period in detail. Okay, beta. When Britisher were governing in India, they passed many acts. In fact, from England, they sent the Chartered Bill. Chartered bills are written documents by which our country was governed. So that Chartered Bill was also an important source of information that what happened at that time when Britisher were ruling over the India. Clear? ब्रिटिशर जब इंडिया पे रूल कर रहे थे उस समय इंग्लैंड से चार्टर्ड बिल आते थे और उन बिल में इंडिया पे कौन कौन से रूल्स एप्लीकेबल करना है, किस तरह से एप्लीकेबल करना है, वो सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन मेंशन की जाती थी. और जो भी उस समय इंडिया में वायसराय रहते थे वो उस चार्टर्ड बिल को यहाँ पर फॉलो करवाते थे. तो उन चार्टर्ड बिल से भी बच्चों हमें बहुत सारी ब्रिटिश रूलिंग से रिलेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलती है. ओके. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, some miscellaneous literary sources are also available. At the same time, the private correspondence written by people is very important source of information, such as those written by Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister. Other important sources are film, which depicts the time and period of those times. The correspondence and documents maintained by some organization such as All India Congress Committee are very vital to reconstruct history in proper perspective. Okay. At that time, many leaders wrote the book, especially Jawaharlal Nehru wrote the book in which he mentioned about the events that were taking place at that time. Not only this, there are many films about the history or which depends or which reveal the history, like Lagan. In Lagan, I hope you have seen the movie Lagan. In this movie, it was shown that how Britisher was ruling in India. What was the tax structure at that time? It was known as Lagan. Okay, the tax which was imposed on the farmers. Okay, beta. So I hope our first type of source, that is literally source, now clear to you. In the next video, we will discuss about some archaeological sources. Okay, thank you so much.